Hello everyone. Today I received my new laptop screen. I ordered from a website called Laptop Screen. It's a very good website, and I ordered a full HD screen to install it at my Acer Spire. First thing to install it, you have to remove this frame. You can use tools like this, or at the website itself have a tool you can buy it. Thing to do, it's like go over here of the screen, okay, and try to go through all of it. Like you hear this tick, it's okay, there's nothing wrong, nothing gonna break. Just keep doing it all over the screen till here, until here. Okay, but I'm gonna use one of my tool, and this is I'm gonna use it to go through here. That's what should look like after we remove the frame. It's very easy, like just slide anything between the frame and the screen, like play card or anything. Okay, next thing, there's a few screw over here. Let the focus get. Okay, you can see it. There's one over here, like there's a 4 in total. I'm gonna unscrew this and we'll be right back. Try and unscrew all the screws that are over for the place. I'm gonna hold it like this, and be careful, don't remove it immediately, because there's a wire over here. We have to remove it, and it will be so easy. You are gonna put the screen like this and take this tape, and okay, now I'm gonna just pull this off. So easy, it's out. This is the old screen. I'm gonna put it away. Okay, and I'm gonna get this new screen. This is the new screen that I wanted. I'm gonna remove the screen protector. Oh, it's not glass actually, it's matte one. Okay, that's good. However, that is the screen. And that, where is it? Okay, wait a minute. Here we should put the 30 pin that I got. Okay, it's very easy, as like did little bit before. I'm just gonna put it. You have to make sure it's in under the place. Okay, after I put it here, as you see, it's so easy. Okay, now it's like the time to screw back, but I'm just gonna check to see if the screen working or not. Okay, as you see, it's totally working, the screen. So I'm gonna screw it back, and I will be back with you. Okay, now I'm back after I screw all the screws over here and here and here and here. All 4 screws. Now I'm gonna put the frame back into place. It's very easy to put the frame back. As I remove it, just put it in the place and push it a little bit, not so hard. Okay, like this. So easy. When you hear the click, so it's on. Okay guys, as you see, the screen is all on place. Thank you for watching, and thank you for Laptop Screen website, and that's it for the day.